Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be unboxing the Plouise budget box for April 2024. I'm really excited for this one, so without further ado, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let's get started. So as I said, we're going to be unboxing the April budget box from Plouise today. I'm so excited by this. The box is huge. When it arrived, I had no idea what it was until I opened it up and realised it was my budget box. So this is actually how big it is. Like, it won't even fit in the frame of the camera. It is huge and it's made to look like a little parcel, like a suitcase. So when we open this up, I won't be able to show you the same as I normally can because it is so big. So I'm going to try to show you this the best that I can without it going out of focus or really dark on the screen, because the light will be making it overexposed. So this is what it looks like when we get into it. Just like that there. So you actually get so many products in this box and I'm really impressed by this. So I'm just going to start off and show you them one by one. So as always, this box cost me £30 and we actually got 6 items in this month, which usually you get like 3, maybe 4. This month we got 6, which seems so extreme. I believe they did different versions of this. So I got the yellow one. Let's have a look inside. So firstly, I'm going to go in. I'm just going to work left to right, I think. This one I'm really excited for because I haven't opened it yet. So this one says, for spicy babes only bad bees, feel the fizz, toxic tingle, bitter and fitter. And it looks like a can, but it's made out of cardboard. And you've actually got to open it on the top here. I kind of don't want to do this because I don't want to like damage it because it looks so pretty, like the whole PR experience you get. I did pay for this with my own money, but Plouise likes to give like the PR experience to everybody that buys from her. So I'm just going to still open this anyway. I don't know, I think you've got to like pull this. Wait, how do I get into this? Oh no, the ring pull fell off. How do I get into this? Like, I love the whole, you know, really pretty packaging thing, but it makes it really hard to get into sometimes. Oh no! Okay, I'm going to have to try and put that ring pull back on because I've just realised you can actually pull it out from the bottom. That is so sad. I wish you had instructions for things like this because I feel like I've just ruined the box now. Okay, let's like try to put that back on. Okay, so when we get inside, it has 2 products. We've got a lip conditioner and a lip oil. So this is basically like her Bad Bee lip like duo boxes, the juice boxes, but in a tin instead. So interesting. So we've got the, oh, this is a plumping formula. I'm not sure I'm gonna like that. I'm not usually a fan of plumping products and my lips are so sensitive anyway, it can like kind of affect me. Not a massive fan, but I'm still going to try it anyway. So when we open it up, this is what it looks like. It looks like one of her regular lip oils, but I do love her lip oils. I'm not going to lie, I feel like we've got these in a lot of boxes lately. I'm just going to sniff this. I'm not going to use it, I'm just smelling it. Oh, that does smell very lemony. I actually quite like that smell, you know. Okay, let's go into the next one, the lip conditioner. These I am obsessed with. I think they are so incredible. If you've been here before, you'll literally be sick of me talking about it. But I love the white chocolate one. The apple one's really nice as well, but I love the white chocolate. Okay, so this is the lip conditioner in lemon sorbet. Oh, it feels kind of wet. I don't really know what it's all about. I don't think it's leaked, but it feels kind of like wet in there, unless it's just a bit of condensation. Yeah, the box don't feel wet. I think it's just condensation we've got on the box, but it does feel kind of greasy, I'll be honest. Let's open it up and see if it has leaked inside. No, it doesn't look like it has. I think it's just a bit of condensation or product that's got on the packaging in packing. Okay, let's just have a little sniff. Do you know what? I think that one doesn't smell as strong as the other one, but it still smells nice. Oh, it feels really nice. It feels really hydrating. Okay, I'm really excited to try that. So that is the first thing we've got. Then we've got this one here. This is a setting spray. I did get a setting spray in last month's box. However, it's very different to this one. This one looks kind of milky. Like the actual colour looks kind of milky compared. Okay. I'm really interested by that. I really like that. It's called Babe, It's Time to Fix Up, but Fix Your Vision. That is really nice. Let's have a little spray and see what it's all about. Oh wow, I love that. That is so much nicer than last month's. Like, last month's was nice, but this is such a fine, I don't think you can even see that on camera, that is such a fine mist. That's the thing with setting sprays for me. If It's a really chunky, really wet mist. It's horrible, but a really nice, fine, delicate mist. I love that. I think that's definitely going to be good for me. Perfect. Then I've got another primer. So last month we got a primer just after I filmed my full face of Plouise. I'm actually wearing the Plouise primer on today. Really nice, and it's like a smoothing primer. This month is a gripping primer. What? I'm so excited. I've been collecting like different gripping primers, like comparing them against each other. So I am so excited to give this one a go. Whenever I try to like show something up close, it's going really dark in the background. I don't know why it's doing that. I need to have a little play with my settings to try and fix that. So I do apologise that I'm not showing things too up close because it keeps doing that all the time, which is really annoying. Let's get into this product. So I'm really excited for this and see what this is all about. Let's take the protective cap off. Okay, so it's the same colour as the last one. It's still pink like the last one. Ooh, but it's more of a transparent kind of texture and look. So it's got pink tint to it, but it is actually a transparent one. Let's just rub it into my skin. Wow, I love that. Okay, I'm just kind of like rubbing that into my skin, and that feels so hydrating. I don't know yet if it's actually gripping. I'm going to wait and see how it dries on my hand. But the thing that I don't like about some gripping primers is I feel like they dry my skin out sometimes and they're not hydrating. I love the e.l.f. Niacinamide one because that's a lot more hydrating on my skin, but they can just be a little bit just dry, and it doesn't make my makeup look as good sometimes because of that. I'll be honest, I've used way too much. Like that has covered my entire hand as that tiny bit. So a little bit goes a long way with this product. I can kind of feel the tackiness there. That smells really nice, but I don't really know what that actually smells of, but it does smell really nice. Okay, now that's kind of rubbed in, should we do like a, ooh, can you hear that? I can hear them feel the tackiness of it. Let's do let's do a little tacky test and see how tacky this actually is. Ooh, it stayed for a sec. This is on my hand, so it's not the same as when it's on your face. But that is tacky. Yeah, I can feel that and I can hear that. That is definitely tacky. Okay, I'm excited to try that on my face because then you'll actually see the true results on your face. But I'm really impressed by that so far. I think, oh no, it's leaking out the bottle. That is not good. Yeah, that's something you have to be careful with that. It's a lot more of a slippy kind of texture and is very hydrating. So that is like quite runny and it just starts to run out the bottle. But I do think you get more product in this. It looks bigger anyway, it looks bigger to me. Let's have a look if you do. Yeah, you do. So this is last month's, and in this one you get 50 grams of product. In this one here you get 80, so you actually get a lot more in here. I'm really impressed by that. I'm really excited to actually try it on my face. Next I'm going to show you the thing that I am most excited to try from this box. This is the brand new and the first ever Plouise mascara. I've been wanting her to bring one of these out for the longest time. It says that it's a tear-proof mascara, counting my blessings and lash obsessing. I love it. Let's look at the ones because I've not looked at this yet. This is in black. I've wanted for so long for Paige to bring out mascara. Like, I've wanted it for so long. I'm so excited now she has done. Let's look at the actual product. I've not seen this yet. Wow. Yeah, that feels so Plouise. It looks so pretty. Let's have a look at the wand. This is going to be the real test. This is what the wand looks like, and that is absolute perfection for me. I don't really like really messy, really chunky wands. Sometimes I like a nice, simple eyeshadow wand. I like it to be quite thin, but lots of bristles. I think it's going to be perfect for me, and it feels quite heavy as well. Like, it feels quite expensive made. I am so excited to try that. Definitely going to be a few reviews going up on that. We've still got another two products to look at. So firstly, we've got a lipstick palette. I'll be honest, I prefer actual stick lipsticks or lip balms rather than the palettes, but let's still have a look at it. So this is what it looks like. It says, "You give me the ick, trigger warning." That is so iconic. So let's open this up. Ooh, that is very yellow. I don't know if you can see on camera, it's kind of washed out, but that is very yellow. So when we open it up, it looks the same on the inside. Let's see the actual palette itself. Ooh, do you know what? Those pans are a lot bigger than I was expecting them to be. So you get 9 different shades in here, and they range from nude to kind of like pinky tones to deeper tones. So I feel like with this, I could probably use this as a lipstick and a lip liner. I like match different shades. I love the fact that it's also got a mirror in there. That's really nice. Yeah, I'll be honest. For me personally, I'd probably only use like 4 of these shades. I could definitely use a middle row, probably use that, maybe that one, but otherwise I probably wouldn't use them all. But you can like mix and match and try things that I wouldn't normally try, because I wouldn't go out and buy, you know, a lipstick that colour. But I think it's nice to be able to try it. You know, when you get it in a budget box, paying £30 for all this is an absolute bargain. So getting it in the budget box, I feel like I can like experiment and try things that I wouldn't normally try. I'm really excited to give that a go. I think that is really, really nice. So we've got the last product, which I am so excited for. This is a face palette. So it says All Over the Place face palette. And I just want to say, I feel like these budget boxes are like so themed at the moment. Originally with the budget boxes, you'd get like a palette and you might get like 1 or 2 other items in it, and they didn't seem to like relate to each other, just like random items put in, which I didn't mind at all. I was never complaining about. But this month everything seemed very linked. The only thing that isn't is the mascara, but I'm so happy to have this. I was going to buy this myself and I'm so glad that I didn't. So like everything's got like that yellowy packaging with the same kind of font and text on it. Everything seems very like linked into each other, and it all just seems kind of like fit together nicely. So I really like that. I think it's quite nice that you get like full collections. Also matches the packaging of the big box that arrived. So this is the palette, the All Over the Place face palette. Let's open this up. Can't believe how much you actually get for your £30, like it's crazy. I'm surprised she doesn't put the prices up for these at all, because I know that the mascara will be at least £10. Then you've got 2 products. You've got a lip conditioner and lip oil. You've got a setting spray. These are usually around £10. You've got a full face palette, a full lip palette. I think it's really, really good value for what you get, you know, for your money's worth. Wow. Okay, this is my favourite face palette Paige has ever released. I'll be honest, sometimes I've got face palettes from her and I physically can't use them because they are for very deep skin, where I've got lighter skin, and it wouldn't work for me. And I hate the thought of people getting ones that they can't actually use, which is so frustrating. However, this is perfect. Look at this. Look at that. First you get a nice size mirror in there. You get 2 highlighters, 2 powder blushes, 2 cream blushes, and then 2 bronzers. And these are shades that I would genuinely use every shade in this palette. I think these 2 are a little bit deeper and I may not use them as frequently, but I definitely would use them. Should we do swatches? Because this is beautiful. I've never seen this palette. This must be completely new. I've never seen this. To be fair, I've never seen any of this apart from the mascara. Let's have a look. So we've got the first highlight. Wow. That is beautiful. Let's try the other one. Wow. I definitely wouldn't use this one that much. It's more for my eyes and my actual highlight. But this I would definitely use on an everyday basis because that is beautiful. Let's try the 2 powder blushes. This is what they look like. I've not got too much because I don't want to ruin the little imprint on them yet. Ooh, I love the difference in the tone. This is more of a corally peachy tone. They've got more of a pinky tone there. Let's try the cream one. I kind of want to just use this in a video where I just review this. So I kind of don't want to put my finger into the cream one yet. Actually be able to see it, but I'm going to do it anyway. Ooh, that is a lovely consistency. Okay. Ooh, they match. I feel like if you do the cream and then top it with the powder, that'd be absolutely stunning. And then final ones, we're going to do the bronzer shades. I'm more into cream bronzer than powder at the moment, but if I get a really good powder, I can definitely be swayed. I'm running out of space. Let's do this one here. Okay, so that's the first one. That's definitely going to be more my shade. Oh, do you know what? I expected that one to be a lot darker than it is, but that's actually really nice. I didn't take too much of a swatch. I did a really gentle one because I don't want to ruin the palette just yet. But I'm really, really impressed by that. Those are beautiful swatches. I think my favourite thing's got to be that highlight right at the top because it's absolutely stunning. But I do really like those cream blushes as well. I love how they just seem to melt into my fingers. Seem like a really, really nice formula. So that is it. That is everything from the Plouise budget box for April 2024. I think the thing that I'm definitely most excited for is definitely that mascara, because I really, really want to try Plouise's mascara. But I'm also really impressed by that face palette. I think that's really nice. You know that I love a Plouise lip product, so I'm really excited about those. The Plouise lip conditioner and oil. I think for me, the oil will probably end up being regifted to someone because I'm not a massive fan of the plumping effect, but I probably will try it first and see what it's like. I might give it away to like a friend or family member. I really like the setting spray. I definitely prefer it to last month's. It just seems so much more misty and fine, and it just seems so much better. Yeah, I'm really impressed. I think she's done a really, really good job with this month's box. So that is it. That's my full review and unboxing for the Plouise budget box for April 2024. This one actually came really early as well, because the last few boxes had been quite late. Last month's was early, but other than that, like the other ones have been so late, like they were coming at the end of the month, so I'm actually really happy this one's come so early. Like, I can actually get the review out and just play with the products, and it's so exciting. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you want to see any of the products reviewed, because I can definitely do that. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Bye!